Alright, OMB, here's my 1966 Taco 22 that I did for the build-off this year. I was super happy with the way it turned out. Got an original style 802-02 Briggs on her. Original purple paint. Did a little bit of a modern throttle setup on it. Thanks to Karen Cross for the awesome seat. Rafa Ramirez for the repop bars. Cambo 61 for burnishing the wheels for me. Did an awesome job. Let's take her for a spin.
How you doing?
You can't ride down the street, right?
What's that?
You can't ride down the street.
Oh man, I was just testing it out. I just got it
You don't even
done.
got a helmet on either, man.
I was going like 5 miles an hour. I know though, I won't do it again, I'm sorry.
Well, there was like 6 fatalities on the interstate today, and I mean, so...
I'm not on the interstate,
I
so.
know. You can't be riding on it.
Okay, I won't win.
I'm going to give you a warning right now, but if I see it again,
Alright, man.
or if the other guys see it again,
Sounds good.
alright?
Yep.
Six fatalities on the interstate. We're doing 5 mile an hour on a fucking mini bike.
I know.
Well, that's great for the video.
Isn't it?